Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can build a strategy. In a strategy you can define entry, exit and stop loss. So it will be a complete setup if you want to trade. And then we will set an alert so that when entry, exit or stop loss signal will come, then it will notify you via TradingView platform, or if you are using Android application of TradingView, then you will get the same notification into your mobile, or you can get the notification via email. Now today is a Sunday, so Indian market is closed, but currency market is open. So we will take Ethereum as a script, and we will check the strategy, and we will check whether the alert is coming or not in Ethereum. In this strategy we will take 2 moving average, and we will look for the crossover for entry and exit and also for stop loss. So this is a very simple strategy, and you can do the same thing with your own strategy, so that it may consist of 2-3 indicators and whatever you want. Now let's go to the Pine script, and we will take a blank strategy. Let me zoom in. Now we will rename the strategy name, that is my alert, and overlay will be true, and we will erase margin long and margin short. Now here we no need of this, we will make it simple. Now we will take 2 moving average, that is MA1, that is simple moving average, SMA of close comma 2, and we will take close comma 3, that is 2 moving average and 3 moving average. So and we will plot MA1 and also MA2. Now our buy condition will be crossover MA1 and MA2, and sell will be cross under MA1 MA2. So these are the condition. Now we will define the strategy. Strategy entry will be, let me rename the name long, and if it is true, that is for long, let me take the quantity as 1, and when equal to buy, and we will exit the strategy exit. It will be exit from long when sell, and the same thing will happen for short position. So let me rename this short, and it will be false, and quantity will be 1, and when equal to sell, and strategy exit comma short comma when equal to buy. So let's save the strategy. Let's save it and add to the chart. So our strategy is ready. Let me zoom out. Oh sorry, Now it's fine. So we can see the strategy here, long and short all is showing here. Now we'll create an alert so that we will get the notification via TradingView platform and as well as in email. So how to do that? It's very simple. Going to the, here is a watch list, second one is a alert. So go to the alert and here is a add alert or create alert. Now here let me zoom in. Now in the condition part, our alert strategy is my alert. So we'll set my alert because this is a strategy. So buy, sell and exit all are defined here. So it will take automatically. You no need to explicitly said this is the buy, this is sell or this is exit. So it will notify on the app, so pop up in TradingView platform and send email. So which email it will send? The email by which you are logging into the TradingView platform. So that email you will get the notification in that email. So let me create the strategy. Now it is active. Now let me open a Gmail account. So this is my Gmail. Now wait for the alert. Now the alert is come. So here is a short signal and you will get the notification on TradingView platform and also you will get the mail. Now here you will get the email confirmation. So this is the alert strategy. Now your alert was triggered. Now let me delete. Again you are getting the alert. So you will get the here you will get the email. Ethereum was alert triggered and strategy buy position. This is the buy position and here also the long position. So in this way you can get the alert in via email. Also you can add your mobile number. There is a facility in the alert, so you can add your mobile number as well as you can get the alert in via email. Now in this video I am taking here time is equal to 1 minute, interval is 1 minute, because it will frequently generate the signal and it will be easy for me to show you the alert is working. And here I just take the very simple strategy, that is simple moving average crossover. You can define your own indicator here, and it may consist of 2-3 indicators or more indicators, whatever you may define here. Just make your buy and sell signal and you will set your strategy, entry and exit. That's it, and you will get the alert if the condition is reached. For today, hope you like it, and if you like it then please subscribe my channel and please be with me. Thank you. Thanks for watching me.